Hi guys! Today's Wednesday and for math we are going to be working on menu math. So on Wednesdays we're going to practice looking at different menus or price catalogs or magazines, just different things where we have to go find the price ourselves and calculate the total. So for today's assignment you are going to be asked to tell me how much a certain item cost, and you're going to type it in, and then you're going to I'm going to give you a scenario where you're buying two items. I already told you the price of the two, but you need to get a calculator out and type in the numbers to see what your total would be. So remember, when we're adding things together, we're going to use the plus sign because we want the number is going to be getting bigger because we're going to be adding it together. So for an example would be, I might ask you, how much does the hot dog cost? And I'm going to show you the picture of the hot dog, but you need to find it on your menu. So you would look through all of these pictures until you found the hot dog. And there it is. And I see that it's $4.50. So I would type that in. Make sure you would have the 4, the decimal point, and then the cents. So 50 cents, 50. The money sign is already at the front of it, so make sure you keep that money sign because that tells me that it's an amount of money. Another example, if I asked you to find how much do French fries cost, you're going to go to your menu, look through, find the French fries, and see that it is $1.10. When I'm typing that in as my answer, make sure you keep your dollar sign, have the 1 decimal point and 1 0, telling me that's 10 cents. So all you're doing for the first part is just matching what the menu says and typing it up. The next part is I show you how much two items cost together. So maybe I want to see how much buying an apple and a watermelon are, but I want to buy them together. So I'm going to get out my calculator, which if you do not have a calculator at home, you can find it on your computer, or you can go to Google and type in calculator, and they have online calculators there. So we have, if I look at the apple, I see it's $0, which then I have the decimal, so I have to make sure I put that in the calculator, 85 cents, plus $1, decimal point, 15 cents. I would add these both together. Make sure you have that dot. That dot is your decimal, and that's very important when you're adding on a calculator. When you think you're done, make sure you check it with a parent, guardian, or anyone that's helping you with your homework, because you want to make sure that you typed it up correctly. And we're still working on our calculator work, and it's sometimes hard to use a calculator when you're counting up money because you have to remember to use the decimal point. So make sure you have someone check your answers, and good luck. I hope you guys have fun with your menu math. Bye.